All right, folks. This video is I'm Doug Pinkham with Pinkham and Associates, as you likely well know. Okay, this video is on the order on court fee waiver for the Superior Court. It's form number FW-003. Let's dive right into this form. This is actually, just so you know what it is, this is the actual form that the court will sign, the judge will sign when they make a determination on whether they're going to let you waive your court costs and fees, or maybe they'll make you pay monthly, a small amount monthly to pay your fees that way. The form is quite simple. Go ahead and take a look. We'll let you take a look at this form here. Okay, so form is pretty straightforward. All right, so okay. All right, so now you've gotten a look at the form. Let's start at the top. Item number 1, that is your name and street address there. Number 2, if you are represented by an attorney, their information goes there, including name, address, phone number, email address, and state bar number. Number 3, a request for waiver to waive court fees was filed on, and if it's filed along with this, just put concurrently, or you can put the day's date when you're going to go into court. If you have received a previous fee waiver order in this case, you're going to want to mark the box underneath 3 and put the date in there when that fee waiver was granted. Okay. There's a little note there. Okay, now off to the right, by the way, you're going to want to put in your case number. And Superior Court of California, County of, you're going to want to write in that big box there, you're going to want to write the county in which you're filing your paperwork in. And then below that, the case number, you're going to put that in there. If you have a case number already, if you are filling out these forms at the same time you're filling out your initial documents to file for divorce or paternity or something, then you're not going to have a file number yet, a case number yet. So go ahead and leave that blank. Case name is you versus the other party, or whatever the actual case name is, Johnson v. Johnson, or Julie Smith versus Bob Jones, whatever your names are. That's what goes under case name. All right, then let's move on. It's important to read that next box. It's an important notice. The court may order you to answer questions about your finances and later order you to pay back the waived fees. So it goes on to talk about that. It's basically saying that if they determine that you should have some income sufficient to pay for the fees, or if they learn that you've come into money for any reason later, they can always come back and ask you to pay for those fees. It's sort of a warning. So just be aware of that. Let's move on to item number 4. After reviewing your request waivers, the court makes the following orders. Okay, so you do not write anything else on this form. The rest is filled out by the court. It's going to be filled out by the court's clerk. But this is what you're going to get back. This is the court order, and it's going to, the clerk is either going to mark that the court grants your request as follows, and then it might be on everything. It might be on additional fees and costs. It might be on partial fees and costs. Or under B, the court can, on the top of page 2B, says the court denies your fee waiver request and basically gives a reason why underneath that. So again, you don't fill out anything underneath from 4 down. That is going to be filled out by the court and sent back to you to give you the answer to your request for fee waivers. All right, folks, that's a very simple form, And that is the all the information you need on there. If well, I hope this video has been helpful for you in filling out the fee waiver forms. Thank you. Have a good day.